Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here I've come with my next zodiac sign, that is Aquarius. Aquarius 2022 January. So let's see what we have for Aquarius. We have a good state of mind where you are ready to accept all the changes that are coming in future for you. Even you're even ready to shift, travel, or maybe shift and leave a lot of old toxic relationships or situations in your life. You've made up your mind, Aquarius. That's what I feel. Okay, so 2022 Jan, the first week will be a little difficult money wise, so please take care, Aquarians. You need to really look after your money in the first week. Okay, in the first week also, please do not get into if I feel state of mind wise, you could get into that negative state of mind. Okay, because of that money issue, right? So take care of your money and your state of mind in the first week of Jan. Second week, you will have a lot of offers at work, a lot of projects coming your way, opportunities coming your way. Okay, Aquarians, it's a good week for something new to start, something new to come forward towards you, which maybe you were looking for. Third week will be more to do with a lot of status. Okay, will be status, will be family, will be either you will be working for a big business house or connecting with people on the level you wanted to connect. Okay, in the third week. Fourth week, your work is absolute speedy, fast. Okay, work is actually happening in a speed, very much in a speed. So let me go back to the first week. First week is little money issues. Please be careful. Also, it could be a state of mind where you get into a victim zone or maybe a negative zone mentally. Just try to push all the negative thoughts away. Second week will be offers, opportunities coming your way. Third week is going to be again connecting with people on high statuses, maybe the network you wanted to do, or maybe you yourself have an upliftment of status, the way people see you. And there's a lot of money also coming in in the third week. There's a lot of money also coming in. So this money could be coming from a money stuck with a big business house also, or maybe some big client you had and the money is supposed to come, that money will come in the third week. And the fourth week, again, work moving forwardly, a lot of opportunities coming swiftly. Your work is happening very well, extremely well. Okay, so these 4 weeks are going to be very good, except for the first week. I mean, 3 weeks are going to be very good, except for the first week, you really need to take care. Okay, so let's see what we have in your relationship reading. Okay, Aquarius relationship 2022. Relationship, Aquarians, you have been thinking about a lot of things in your life. Okay, up till now you've been trying to heal from your old patterns or maybe old energies that you were in. I feel relationship wise, you're going to put effort. Whatever went bad in the past, you're going to put an effort towards that, and you would want to do it in a proper way. Okay, if you're in a relationship, you're going to try to seek the truth. What happened? What was my fault? What was that person's fault? Your relationship is manifesting in a very beautiful way. In the month of Jan, it is going to go in a very good direction. Okay, you're going to choose to go with what your heart says, what your heart desire says, Aquarius. You are going to shine. I feel in the month of January, you are coming out of all your past fears. You've been thinking a lot. Okay, you've been healing a lot. And I feel there is a lot of positive energy coming. You're going with what your heart is saying. People who already have a partner or who are already married, their relationship, if it's not going stable, it will start becoming stable, because Aquarians, you are taking efforts in your relationship now. People who are who don't have anybody, singles, they are going to find someone because what they have manifested, or they will start manifesting for somebody which they will find very soon. So all your fears and your blocked heart chakra is opening in the month of Jan, because you've been healing yourself, you've been thinking, contemplating what went wrong, right? You have been already doing that. So from Jan, everything positive in the relationship area will start happening. Okay, that's a good reading, isn't it? Nice. Let's see what fairies have to say now. Okay. Fairy message for Aquarius, January 2022. Come together. See? So fairies like to be busy. Okay, and a group of them is showing us that many friends, so maybe your friend circle is increasing, Aquarius. Your friend circle is increasing, you're meeting the right people in your life, and working as a team helps get the job done. So you need to meet more people, you need to increase your friend circle, which will already happen because this card, you see a lot of golden and yellow, and this card, I feel you need to increase your circle. Maybe you need to increase your network. That's what fairy is saying. Increase your network, increase your friend circle, and you will get help. So something good is coming in your way, on the way to you, and your work and your relationship both are going to improve very soon. Okay, that's a beautiful message from the fairies. I love them. Okay, so that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon, and call me for paid appointments only. Email me for paid appointments only, and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And also, I've been putting my Insta videos on Shorts in YouTube. So please do watch them. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye. Bye. God bless.